This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the void mode on the XEA213 register. So the till, if you've got the manager key, has a void mode on it where you can void incorrect entries that were cached off in error in the register mode. Using the void mode is really straightforward. You simply turn the manager key round to void, enter the items that you wish to void off. So if you'd sold 2 pints of Thatchers by mistake and rung them through in error, you can void them off. Key thing to remember is to cache them off in the same way you cache them off when you did the incorrect sale. So here I've used the cache button because in the reg mode I use cache as well. If we now turn the key back to the reg mode, what I'll also do is I'll do a quick X report so you can see how it appears on your, well, it's going to appear on your end of day report. Obviously this is just the X report, so it is recorded on there. So there's the manager mode, because I've effectively gone into manager mode, void mode, so it's showing there as £8 in the void mode. So it is recorded on the till, but it's not recorded as part of the main sales transactions. After any process, please remember to turn the key back to the reg mode. Hope you found that video helpful. Got other videos appearing showing you how to get the best out of the 213, which you're welcome to watch. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.